Hello everyone and welcome to the Arai channel. Today we're talking about the Pro Shade system. The SAI or VAS Pro Shade System Shield is an optional accessory which can be installed on any Arai SAI or VAS model, replacing the original shield completely. The Pro Shade can be applied to any model, so you don't have to choose a helmet to get the benefit. You can choose your preferred helmet and add the Pro Shade System Shield. Recognizing the benefit of a drop-down lens, but not willing to compromise the internal structure of the helmet, Arai chose to pursue an alternative design. The Pro Shade has two positions. In the down position, it acts like a smoke shield, reducing the intensity of bright sunlight. In the up position, it acts like a peak and blocks intense sunlight. With just one touch, the rider can easily move the Pro Shade up and down, giving the rider complete control of the riding experience. While up, it blocks sudden bursts of light, like when exiting a tunnel, by simply tilting your head. It also blocks glare from streetlights at night. With the Pro Shade down, the rider can still clearly see their gauge cluster. The Pro Shade puts control in the rider's hands, as they can instantly adapt to changing light conditions. The Pro Shade system advances Arai's pursuit of gains in protection by not compromising the integrity of the shell. Rather than an internal sunshade, which cuts into the EPS liner or shell, Arai engineered the Pro Shade to be outside of the helmet. The Pro Shade is also frangible, so the helmet's glancing off ability is preserved. The Pro Shade system features Arai's patented brow vents to allow excellent airflow instead of cutting the shell and compromising structural integrity. The brow vent shutters are unique to the Pro Shade and slide up and down in a track. They slide easily and can be moved independently at either side, providing a half-open and full-open setting. The Pro Shade has large cutout spaces to not interfere with the brow vents. This also prevents the Pro Shade from catching too much wind resistance and instead allows air to flow through easily. The base shield also comes ready to receive a Pinlock anti-fog lens for long touring enjoyment. The SAI Pro Shade was the first generation Pro Shade system and was introduced in 2014. SAI or Super ADSYS I-type shield system belongs to the shield generation before the current one, VAS. The SAI Pro Shade system, or PSS for short, was first introduced on such helmets as the Defiant Pro Cruise and Signet Q Pro Tour. See list below for details. The SAI PSS has two positions, down and up. The SAI PSS features a lock in the up position. The lock is engaged by lifting the Pro Shade and pushing back. The Pro Shade will lock and once locked will not return down. To disengage the lock, pull the Pro Shade forward and back down. Make sure to push back firmly and pull forward firmly to fully release the lock. Arai offers the Pro Shade system, replacement Pro Shades, and replacement Pro Shade base shields called a Pro Shade Ready Shield. Arai also offers optional mirrored Pro Shades and an optional 10mm longer Pro Shade called an XL Pro Shade, which can easily be installed. See Part 2 for details. Note that the mirrored Pro Shades are made with the longer XL lenses. Riders can purchase the Pro Shade system with the stock shield, or purchase the Pro Shade Ready base shield and purchase mirrored Pro Shades separately and attach. Note that the VAS Pro Shade system does not include an XL Pro Shade because it is already 10mm longer. Visit our website at ariamericas.com for more information and to find your local dealer. Leave a question or comment down below, and thanks for watching.